All right, you seen that title in the thumbnail, and we about to put a spin on that classic Italian sub. I'm gonna show you guys how to make this classic Italian sub wrap. Man, low carb, you're gonna love it. Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right guys, let's go ahead and go over these ingredients real quick. I really like this recipe because it's low carb and I love Italian subs. So this is just gonna be like a remake of the Italian sub sandwich. We're gonna use all our Italian ingredients that I like to put on my Italian sub, except the hoagie bun. But back here we have our low carb tortillas, sliced tomatoes, sliced onions, some deli dressing here, black pepper, banana peppers, mayo, pepperoni, ham, salami, Italian seasoning, garlic salt, and Parmesan cheese. That's what I put on my Italian sub, and I'm gonna put it on my Italian wrap. All right, guys, let's get to it. So to get started, we're gonna lay our tortilla down on our cutting board or wherever you got it. I'm gonna add mayo. Now, if you don't like mayo, that's fine. You don't have to use mayo. Use whatever floats your boat. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spread this mayo across or around my tortilla. I typically use light mayo on my sandwich. I don't like a whole bunch of mayo because I don't like it to overpower the sandwich itself. So I just use a little bit of light mayo, kind of like that. It's good enough for me. So next you just wanna, kind of identify your center by folding it like that. So I kind of identify your center right there. And you're gonna start building your wrap on one side. And again, you can use as much or as little ingredients as you want. It's totally up to you. I'm gonna add my cheese first. When I get my Italian subs, I do some extra cheese. I'm gonna do like 3 slices of cheese right there on mine. Start building it out with the ham. Come behind that with my salami. And then with our pepperoni. I'm not gonna lie, I like mine a little bit pepperoni-y. I think I could do 4 slices of pepperoni. I like to throw my tomatoes on here next, followed by my onions. And guys, again, you can use as many onions or tomatoes as you like. I'm definitely an onion guy, so I like it, a little oniony. Come across that with some banana peppers. And right here is what I like to add me some garlic salt right here. Add some black pepper. I always tell them, man, shake some more of that salt on there, man. We need that salt. And guys, one thing that I forgot to add in the shot that was in the refrigerator that I like to add on mine is a little light lettuce. So I don't do a whole lot of lettuce. I like a little light lettuce on my sub. Again, you can leave that out. It's totally up to you. Lastly, you gotta add that deli dressing. Some people do the vinegar and oil, which that's what I typically do. And you're gonna flip that baby over just like this. Guys, take a look at that. Woo, that baby looking good. I'm gonna remove this and I'm gonna sit it over here on another cutting board that I have while we build out our last 2 Italian wraps, all right? So you saw what I did. We're just gonna run through it and then we're gonna come back. All right, so now that we've built out all our wraps, I put them here on another cutting board. We're gonna move over to our stove, get our pan heated up over medium heat so we can start getting these babies warmed up. You guys have been asking for this for a very long time, and I am so grateful for your support that my highly anticipated cookbook, Still Not a Chef, is available for pre-orders. It's relaxed, it's flavor forward, and it's made for people who just love good food. Pre-orders are open now, link in the description. All right guys, over medium heat, we're gonna melt a little butter. Gonna move that around a little bit. Once that pan starts to heat up, we can probably cook 2 at one time. Let's go ahead and drop 1 on here. Now we're gonna do 1, just to make sure we get it right. We're gonna let this cook on medium for 1 to 2 minutes. I'm gonna add me up my pressure here. I'm sorry, for 2 to 3 minutes. All right guys, after about 2 or 3 minutes, you wanna take a look and make sure your cheese is melted. We're gonna flip this on the other side, like that. Look at that golden brown, man, that's looking good. Gonna let that rock out for another 2 minutes. After that additional 2 minutes, we're gonna remove our wrap. Man, take a look at this baby here. Let's say that side brown too. I'm gonna put this over in a warming rack while we finish up our last 2 wraps. All right, guys, so we're finishing up our last wrap. We're gonna get this baby removed over to our warming rack. So now we're gonna head over to our cutting board, cut into them, get into our final presentation, and you already know, best part of the show, quality control. And there you have it, an Italian sub wrap. Drop in the comment section below what you think about this particular recipe. I know if you're an Italian sub lover, you're gonna love this one here. Let's go ahead and jump into quality control. All right, guys, it's quality control time, man. We gotta bring these groceries to the front of the congregation. Man, take a look at that. Oh, that baby got a zoom. Man, I can't wait. Let me just stop talking. Let's get into it, man. Oh man. Oh man. Exactly what I expected. You know what it remind me of? Yeah, Italian sub. But the Quiznos Italian sub, because you know, Quiznos mostly heated their subs up. Even though most places they'll let you heat them, but Quiznos, that's how they serve most of their subs was heated up. That's what this baby tastes like. This baby delicious. Oh man. God. It's here. Quick, easy, and for Italian sub lovers. And I forgot to tell you, I did add my Italian seasoning after I drizzled some of that deli dressing on it, so add your Italian seasoning. I don't know if I showed you that, but anyway, until then, guys, y'all already know who I am. This is All Wings Everything, and remember, I'm not a chef, I'm just cook a lot, and I'm out. Peace.